Hey all, welcome back to another one of my top 5 tips that I wish I'd known as a beginner in Blender. Sorry for the long wait, but here's the final tip for you all. Today's tip is vertex groups and face sets. Do you find yourself trying to tweak your sculpts, but the whole sculpt goes crazy like this? Well, there's a solution to this. This is where face sets come in. Go to Sculpt, go to Initialize Face Sets, and then go to Buy Loose Parts. You then want to go to Tool and click the Advanced drop down and select and click Face Sets. And if you have no separate parts in your sculpt or have already joined it together, well, no worries. You can still do this by materials assigned, like so. Go to Sculpt, Face Sets, then go to Initialize Face Sets, and this time select Buy Materials. If you haven't got materials set for this either, well, that's not a problem. This is where vertex groups come in. Click Data, add a new vertex group and call it what you wish. For this example, I'll call this Big Toe. Big Toe. From here you want to click your model, then go to Edit Mode. On Edit Mode, then press 1 on the numpad to change to Vertex Group. Select the end vertex and press Ctrl and plus, and you'll see it moving along the vertex. Now keep pressing the plus until you reach your desired location. Then go back to your Data tab here and click Assign. Now if you accidentally click off and the highlight goes, you can go back and click Select to bring it all back again. After this, go back to your Materials tab and add a new material and name it what you wish. You can then click Assign on the material, and then you will see that the color in the viewport has changed to material. Now you can go back into Sculpt mode, go to Face Sets, and then Initialize Face Sets, and then go to Buy Material, and ta-da! Thank you so much for joining me with these videos. It's been a lot of fun. If you're interested in learning more about what I do and potentially even learning alongside me, I go live on Twitch Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays from 11 AM BST. This week I'm holding focus studies and the topic is feet. I go over everything from basic blockout to high poly sculpt, back to getting the sculpt retopologized and ready for game engine. I also do texture passes and rigging for those interested. Make sure to check out the description below if you're keen, and click that link to check out my Twitch. Feel free to swing by, say hi, or even give us a lurk. I hope to see you guys there. Bye for now.